engineering. Today's case study topic is about some particular cases. So I will explain that. We will find out the problems. Okay. So if a person experiences a shock or any type of so what is the problem means these shock and error? Improper grounding, which will leads to person to get shock or earth. So what is the basic definition of earthing or grounding?
Grounding means connecting electrical car to the earth. It gives extra leakage current is safe path to flow. The earth absorbs this unwanted current. This prevents electrical shock and damages to device. It keeps the electrical system stable and safe.
So proper grounding is not only for protecting humans but also for the devices. So what are all the types of grounding? Types of grounding.
System grounding, soft grounding, lateral grounding, and
So there are n number of groundings are there. So based on this grounding, so we have to specifically select types of grounding for n number of equipments. So in this case study video, we are having an activity session. So I will give you some word. So you have to create another word using the ending letter of that word which I have dictated to you. So talking about grounding. So first word is grounding. So it ends with G. So you have to start with the letter word which is starting in the letter G. Galvanometer. So galvanometer ends with R. Rheostat. Okay. So T. Transformer. Again letter R. Resistor. So again letter R. Radar. Again R. Rheostat already said. Reverse biosing. Reverse bios. S. Series connection. Okay. N. So in N, nanometer. Again R. Rotor. Again it ends with R. Receiver. Super. R. Radiation. Again N. So this is the last letter. You have to answer the word which is ending in N. Node. So E. Electricity. So starting with grounding and ending with electricity. Okay, super. So coming to our subject. So what is the application of grounding?
Grounding protects people from electrical shock during fault and active grounding. It protects electrical appliances during short circuits and overloads. Grounding also protects from lightning by giving it a balance.
Oh, super. So what are all the advantages and this? Talking about some electrical quantities or equipment. So there is always advantages and disadvantages are there. So what are all the advantages and disadvantages of grounding?
Advantages of ground wiring are in protection and shock prevents from prevents appliances from damage. It avoids a fire hazards. It provides a safe path for fault current and it separates the voltage.
So disadvantages?
initialization cost is high, needs regular maintenance, not effective in dry or rocky soils, requires space in earth beds, lightning surges may still cause damage.
Okay. So how many of you get shock or earth? So you know the difference between what is earth and what is shock? So what is earth? So earth is a sensation of getting shock or short circuit something else. But shock is a high level quantity which will affect in a serious manner. But not comparing to shock, earth is a minimal will can causes minimal damage only. Okay. So anybody will
grounding electricity can be dangerous. So grounding is important to save you.
Devices from damage and to avoid getting shock, we are using proper grounding and earthing methods.